G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make homemade coconut milk. Really quick and easy to make, so yummy and healthy. Let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Now for this you're going to use your blender. Any type of blender should be fine for this. If not, if you've got some sort of little pulsing doobie whacker, that'll do. Now get 4 cups of hot water. Pour that in here. Don't want it to be boiling, but quite hot. And get about roughly 2 cups of unsweetened coconut flakes. And get 2 cups of coconut flakes. Now we want to blend this for several minutes until it's thick and creamy. Now just get a big bowl or a jug or something. Pour this straight in. Just don't want to let all the flakes that haven't been chopped up get through at this point. Now get a second bowl or jug, and for this you don't have to use this part because what we just did should have got out most of it, but just to make sure you get out all of the little bits so it's just completely milk. Get something like a cheesecloth, put it over the bowl and pour that right over it. And that should catch the remaining little bits that may have got through your colander or strainer. And this is ready to drink now if you want. That's if you want it hot. I prefer it cold. So you can just put this in a jug, put it in the fridge and drink it as you normally would, or add it to recipes or whatever you want to do. And this is good for, probably 3 to 4 days you should drink it within. That'll keep the best flavour and texture of it. Well, I hope you like this. So yummy. You can store this for 3 or 4 days in the fridge. Oh, that is heavenly. Oh, I cannot stress how awesome this is. It tastes so much better than any coconut milk I've ever bought at the shops. And it doesn't cost much to make either. I mean, it's essentially water and some coconut flakes. I'll see you next time for my next meal.
Simple